Well, hey gang, welcome back to Vlogmas. I think this ponytail is crooked, or maybe it's my face, I don't know. Today I'm actually going to be doing a vlog for Vlogmas. Revolutionary, I know. It's already 11 o'clock. I just got off of a video meeting with my life coach. She's amazing. I'm gonna be writing a blog post about my experience with her next week, but I'm gonna leave her information in the description box down below because she's like the fairy godmother of feelings. Like she's amazing. She's so good, in fact, that I spoke with her for an hour and didn't even take a sip of my coffee. That's when you know that someone's got my attention. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave because I need to be caffeinated. Okay, so plans for the day are that I have pretty much no plans. And I am so stinking excited about it because this week has been really quite hectic. I started a new job on Monday, I started Vlogmas on Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday, out of nowhere, my Etsy shop just like kicked off, my handmade Etsy shop. So I am gonna have to spend a little bit of time today catching up on those orders because just from nowhere, all of a sudden I just got a bunch of orders, which is great, but I actually need to make them now. Also, if you saw yesterday's No Buy Year update, then you will have seen that I splurged and bought myself a Cricut machine, and I got it over a week ago and it's still in the box because I've just been quite busy. So I wanted to take today to just do crafting for like my Etsy shop and play with my new Cricut machine. That's all I want to do today. Wear my comfy clothes, my Beauty and the Beast socks, and just bum around the house, drinking hot chocolate, watching Christmas movies, and crocheting. Oh my gosh, it sounds like such a good day. Before I go grab my Cricut machine, there's something that I've been going back and forth on for the last few days, but I have decided that this Vlogmas, I'm going to take Sunday as a day off. So I will still upload videos Monday through Saturday, every day up until the 24th, whatever day that is. I don't know what day Christmas is this year. But like, I'm gonna take Sundays off. I just feel like I need that time to catch up and take some space. I've just spent a lot of time talking about mental health recently and encouraging us all to take better care of our mental health. So it would be really hypocritical of me to burn myself out trying to do a video every single day with a new job and a flourishing Etsy business, I guess. But I know that you guys will totally understand and totally support me because you always do, and that's what I love about you. Let's go fire up this Cricut machine and see how it goes. Wonky. My tripod is never in a good angle and I apologize for that. Like, I'm not really in this frame right now. I'm doing my best. I haven't finished my coffee yet. I'm doing my best. For people watching this who don't know what a Cricut machine is, because I realize like it's a very niche purchase, it's a cutting machine. So for instance, this one that I bought, the Cricut Explore Air 2, this can cut paper, cardstock, vinyl, like foil, decal-y type things. And then you can cut those out into different shapes. So you can do scrapbooking, you can make t-shirts, you can do a lot of things. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I have not even plugged this thing in yet and I'm already having so many issues because it came with two plugs. It came with this American plug that's plugged into this thing, but then it came with a British plug that's not plugged into anything, and I'm like, wait, am I meant to plug this into that, or do I just plug this straight into the wall? What's the situation? So I had to call my brother because he's an electrician, and I was like, help. How do I plug this machine in? It's a good start. It's going well. Moment of truth, I guess. Well, there's no smoke, so that seems like a success. I'm in. Okay, now things are getting exciting because we get to test this thing out. And they very generously, for my £230, gave me 2 small scraps of paper to use to test out. That's so generous. Do I want to print a bear or a crown? I'm going to say bear. Press the flashing load and load button on the machine. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't see that. This is the button it wants me to press, but it says it should be flashing and it's not. Let's press it anyway. Oh. Oh, now I think we press it again. No, I guess not. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. And now we have the spinning wheel of death and nothing is happening. It's a bear! I honestly feel that that was more luck than judgment, but hey. Ta-da! What I would really love to do today is learn how to cut out some gift tag shapes and maybe even some coffee cozy little templates so that when I go to package my Etsy orders later, I don't have to cut them out by hand. The Cricut machine can do it for me. Maybe. So I'm going to play with this for a little bit longer, see if I can figure out what I'm actually doing with it. So I have been crafting away with my little Cricut machine, and I finally feel like I've figured it out, at least for working with card. I haven't tried any vinyl yet. I'm not that confident, but I'm so impressed. I managed to make some little gift tags that I can put onto my Etsy orders, but star of the show, these little coffee cozy templates. You see that? So the coffee cozy, wait, I didn't give you the best viewpoint. Isn't that so cute? Because it's in the shape of a little coffee cup. This was a good purchase. I did have a moment where I was like, why have I bought this? But now that I've used it and I can see it in action, I feel like it's an exciting little toy to have. So now I am just going to chill out, crochet some of the things that I've sold on Etsy and try and get those all packaged up and posted out by this evening. The sun already looks like it's going down and it's 2:15. Really? But yeah, just a little bit more chilling, a little bit more crafting. Oh my gosh, 4 Christmases, yes. Okay, it's been a few hours. I disappeared into the abyss. I'm just packaging up some Etsy orders. I'm gonna run them down to the post office. And I have made a really great mess right now. Ugh. Okay, real talk for a second. The likelihood of me getting this vlog up on the day that it's meant to go up is slim to none. And I'm thinking, hey, maybe it's better to sleep on it because it's getting late. Like, sleep on it, wake up tomorrow, edit it, and get it to you maybe like 12 hours late. A day late. And, you know, sleep tonight. Is that okay with everyone? I mean, Vlogmas is hard, okay? Vlogmas is hard every year, but I feel like this year comes with its own set of challenges because 2020 is hard. We're trying to balance the reality of 2020 with Vlogmas, and I'm still working out all the kinks. But I think this video is coming to you a little bit late. I apologize. I'm trying my best, but I'm a disorganized mess right now. And please love me anyway. But I'm gonna finish up right here, wrapping up these orders, and then I will see you guys, I guess by the time you're watching this, I will see you guys later tonight for the next Vlogmas video. Thank you for your patience. I love you. Bye.